If you want to sharpen an image in Photopea without destroying the colors or making the photo look over-processed, this method is one of the best ways to do it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sharpen in Photopea using the high pass filter, which gives you much better control over detail than a simple one-click sharpen effect. This is a great technique for portraits, product photos, and any image where you want the edges to pop while keeping the rest of the photo looking natural. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Photopea tips, editing tricks, and beginner-friendly design tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your image in Photopea and make sure the layer you want to sharpen is selected in the Layers panel. Before making any changes, you always want to work non-destructively, which means you don't want to edit your original image directly. So with your layer selected, press Command and J on Mac or Control and J on Windows to duplicate it. You should now see a copy of your image layer above the original. This duplicated layer is what we'll use for sharpening, so if anything looks too strong later, you can easily adjust it without damaging the base image. Now make sure the top layer is still selected. At the top of the screen, go to Filter, then Other, and click High Pass. A small dialog box will appear with a radius slider. This is the most important part of the effect because the radius controls how much edge detail gets pulled out. For most images, you want to keep this very low. A good starting point is somewhere between 1.0 and 3.0 pixels. As you move the slider, you'll notice the image turns gray and you start seeing the outlines and fine edges of your subject. That gray preview is completely normal. You are not trying to make the image look sharp here yet. You are just isolating the edge detail. If you go too high with the radius, the effect can become too harsh and start creating ugly halos around the subject, so stay subtle and only push it until the important details are visible. Once the preview looks right, click OK. Now the image will still look grey, and that's because the layer is now holding the edge detail from the high pass filter. To make that detail actually sharpen the photo, go back to the layers panel and change the blend mode of that top layer from normal to overlay. If overlay feels too strong, try soft light for a gentler effect. And if you want a more intense sharpening look, you can try hard light, but be careful because it can become too aggressive very quickly. After changing the blend mode, the sharpening effect will appear instantly. You should now see more texture, more crispness, and better edge definition in the image. But don't stop there. The final step is to fine-tune it. If the sharpening feels too strong, lower the opacity of the top layer. Reducing opacity lets you control exactly how much sharpening is applied, which is especially useful if you want a clean, professional result instead of something that looks over-edited. Usually a little goes a long way, so it's better to keep it subtle and natural. And that's the full process for sharpening a photo in Photopea using the high pass filter. It's fast, flexible, and one of the best ways to add detail while still keeping control over the final look. If this helped you out, please like the video and subscribe to the channel because I've got more Photopea tutorials coming that will help you edit faster and better. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.